walked away. You do. You should've left me there.
Kept it closed, kept it deep where it goes.
You should've left me there.
Out of sight,
Now it walks
in your night.
Wall held cold against your back. Every breath came short and cracked. Tried to think, lost the line, like your head dropped out of time.
You said no, but soft and late, like you knew it sealed your fate. Not to me, not out loud, just enough to draw it out.